And to keep us together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on our side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaylyn, and in this video I'm going to show you how I got this 90s inspired swoop half up half down with flipped ends on natural hair. I'm really excited about this style. I think it's so cute. I got my hair straightened a couple weeks ago for my graduation, and I really wanted to try this style before my hair got too old and too oily. So if you see, you know, a little bit of dandruff, flakes, or, you know, oiliness, mind your business. Okay, this silk press is definitely on its last days, but I had to try this style for you guys. So if you want to see exactly how I achieve this look, keep on watching. And yeah, to start off this style, I'm doing a left curved side part because it's most flattering to me, and then I'm going to section out the hair that I'm going to use for my swoop so that it's out of the way. Now I'm sectioning the part of my hair that I'm going to be putting in a ponytail for my half up half down style, and I'm making sure to section my hair in a way so that the base of the ponytail is visible. For the sleekness of the style and to tame my edges, I'm using the Black Panther Strong Edge Tamer, and a little goes a long way with this product. It doesn't revert my hair at all, and it does lay down all the flyaways and my edges, but it can get white if you use too much, so that's why I say a little goes a very long way.
And you know, titties shining like acrylic. Yeah, so dope, I had cornrows. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big bank take small. Bank account on some tall. Attitude on some you too. Bank roll on what it do. Meet me at the roulette vibe. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try. Big bank take little bank. Big bank take little bank. Type of money you gon' need to sight. Type of money you gon' need to buy. From the hoes, type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank take little bank. Big bank take little bank.
She said, what you gon' do if I leave? I said, I'ma do me. B.I.G. everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in. Got my foot in the door and we still here. I'm a first generation millionaire. I broke the curse of my family not having it. I'm passionate like girls that's after more than just cash and dick. Feed me to the wolves, now I lead the package. You boys all cap, I'm more Colin Kaepernick. I'm rare as affordable healthcare. Or growing the wealth from welfare. I turn my W's to M's, yeah, I flip those. I might buy a red bottoms with the crypto. 3 coins, that'll pay your whole semester. But you gotta ride it better than a Tesla.
Because of the thickness of the edge tamer, I alternated between using a rat tail comb and a toothbrush because the bristles of the toothbrush were a bit soft, and I used the comb to reinforce the direction that I wanted my hair to lay. But I do like this product because of its thickness and how well it lays my hair while it's in a stretched state. But now we're going to get into how I'm forming my swoop. So I'm literally just swooping my hair a little bit over my eyebrow and behind my ear, and I'm going to keep it in place with a couple bobby pins.
Can imagine them about to make these bums mad again. Back to them. I lead the pack, so my back's to them. Yup, the queen's back. What's happening? Rerun, about to make these rap again. Diamond chains on my ankle. Young money in the cut like a shank out. Tell tip rubber bands on my bankroll. Show my like a stank out.
To cover up the scrunchies and just make the style look more sleek, I grabbed some hair from the ponytail and just wrapped it around and secured it with a bobby pin. Now we're getting into the fun part and the part you've all been waiting for, how I flip the end. So first I'm detangling all of my hair, then I'm going to take medium to large size sections for each curl. Once I section the hair, I'm going to start to curl my hair up at my shoulders so that all the way around my head the curls are even and it creates the long bob look that I'm going for. And if you're a beginner at doing your hair or any hairstyles like this, do not be discouraged because this hairstyle is super easy.
You ask why, 'cause the white folks don't. Big bang, tight, low bang, bang. Big bang, tight, low bang, bang. Type of money you gon' use, like. Type of money you gon' use, bang. From the whole type of money make you still.
Trying to curl the back of my hair was tricky because of how I had to twist and turn my hands. So I attempted to do it a couple of times and then I just asked my sister to redo some of the curls. So if you have any family or friends with you while you're doing this style, it might be best to ask them to do the back for you just so that all the curls look cohesive.
Shining like a acrylic. Yeah, I so dope I had cornrow. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big bang, take small. Bank account on some tall. Attitude on some you too. Bang roll on what it do. Meet me at the roulette vibe. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try. Big bang, tight, low bang, bang. Big bang, tight, low bang, bang. Type of money you gon' use, like. Type of money you gon' use, bang. From the whole type of money make you still bang. Type of money she gon' let you put it in, bang. Big bang, tight, low bang, bang. Big bang, tight, low bang.
She said, what you gon' do if I leave? I said, I'ma do me. B.I.G. everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in. Got my foot in the door and we still here. I'm a first generation millionaire. I broke the curse in my family not having it. I'm passionate.
When I curled the ends of my ponytail, I decided to bump my ends going inward rather than flipping them outward because when I saw the style on other people, I thought it looked better this way. But this is just personal preference. If you prefer to flip the ends out, then this is completely optional.
3 points, that'll pay your whole semester. But you gotta ride it better than a Tesla.
Big bang, tight, low bang, bang. Big bang, tight, low bang, bang. Type of money you gon' use, like. Type of money you gon' use, bang. From the whole type of money make you still.
You can be real with me, that's why you're still with me. Can't hide behind a can't assume. I don't even care if you lie to me, cause every mother cares about me these days. I say I do just to say I do. Don't give me no reason to go through your phone. This is deeper than you know. This is that this is years, but enough the rules I so hold on, don't let me go.
Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me. The last thing that I did include on camera was me applying some of this oil sheen. I got it from my hairstylist and they didn't tell me what was in it, so I don't know what's in it, but I just added just a little bit to polish the look. But if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more super cute hairstyles, make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I make new videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.